Welcome back to another video. Today we're going to be making falafel. So for this we'll need 1 cup of chickpeas, which have been soaked overnight in water and baking soda, and then boiled and strained for an hour or two, and have been put in a tissue so that all the water is absorbed. And coat on these have been removed, and I've kept some to show you guys. So apart from the chickpeas, we will be needing some 1 teaspoon of paprika powder, half teaspoon of turmeric, half teaspoon of baking soda, 1 teaspoon of salt, and 2 teaspoon of flour. 1 cup of coriander. You can also use parsley, but because parsley is not available, we're using coriander. 1 onion chopped, 4 to 5 cloves, and 2 green chilies, and around 2 teaspoons of water. So I'm going to start by mixing in all our spices in this bowl. So now I'm going to add in our peppers. And then our green chilies and cloves and water. I'm going to mix this in. I'm going to add our chickpeas and our spices, and so I'm just going to pick them up carefully and add them in. Chickpeas are in. I'm going to mix in. And I'm going to be adding it in our blender over here to make a nice paste. Chickpeas and spices, and I'm going to blend it. Take this last batch out. And I'm going to this in this bowl. Using an ice cream scooper, I'm going to take 1 scoop of our falafel dough, and I'm going to make a nice circle, and I'm going to put it in this tray. Now I'm going to continue doing this with the rest of our... now that these are done, I have made 13 of these balls out of the whole dough. I am going to refrigerate this for 1 hour so that they have a firm shape. Now that these have been refrigerating for a while, I'm going to take one and coat it in breadcrumbs. So I'm going to put it in the spoon and fry them now. I've already preheated the oil, so I'm going to wait till they're fried. All of the falafels, and this is what they look like after frying. I'm going to finish cooking all the tortillas, and I'll see you then. I made my flour tortillas. I'll put the recipe and the link in the description below. So I'm going to start assembling it. So I have 3 falafels over here, which I'm just going to smush down with this fork. And I'm going to add in our onions, our cabbage, and our tomatoes. Just going to add in the rest. And I'm going to put in some mayonnaise. So and I'm just going to wrap this. And there is your falafel wrap. So I'm just going to take a bite out of this. It's yummy. It's really good. And you guys should try this recipe at home. Please like, subscribe, and share, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye!